She has an open case upstairs that's also in warrant status. Frank has been talking with Judge Nelson in the
Is this, may I have the case number, please?
252 1200.
Okay.
So, because she has a felony warrant, I'm not going to release her. We'll do PC now, and I'm going to keep her, and then Frank's going to run up to...
All right, let's pause here. What you just heard is a judge denying immediate release because there's a felony warrant involved. That's a game changer. Why? Because once a felony enters the picture, everything shifts. No quick bail, no easy way out. What do you think? Should someone charged with assault and injury to a child even get the chance at bond?
Or 82nd to try to get her a bond set there.
It looks like probable cause was found on July 25th, Judge.
I'd like to know, but I don't know. All I know is that she's charged with assault. She also has an injury to a child. It looks like they're out of the same transaction.
Yes, Judge.
You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine on the assault. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On June 24, 2024, officers with multiple complainants, and one of the complainant's mother, Dr. Clinton, this case investigated an assault that occurred in an apartment complex. Complaint stated that on Wednesday, June 5th, 2024, this complainant, that's what they part A, the complaint that they met, the brother is a complainant in this offense who's 15, and his friends were walking their dog and found a juvenile male who's the son of the defendant over problems they had in school. Juvenile male's mother, the defendant, exited her apartment unit, started to confront the complainant and followed co-complainant and this complainant to a fence. The other complainant felt the need to defend himself due to the now defendant being close to him, but he did not assault the defendant. Defendant pepper sprayed that defendant and that complainant and this complainant, attempting to get her to stop by swinging at her. Defendant also pepper sprayed this complainant, but only hit one of his arm. The other complainant felt pain from being pepper sprayed by the now defendant, and the first complainant, the mother of the other complainant, wanted to pursue charges. A witness who lived in the apartment complex corroborated the statements of all the complainants.
So, who are the complainants now?
So,
relation?
It is brother complainants and their mom, who is another complainant, but I don't know if they...
So it's familial.
I think it's the two boys, the complainants, but one of them's 15 and older.
So they wrote it as complainants, but it only accepted charges. So I guess the way they verbalized it initially to the officers, the way they wrote it down was complainant 1, 2, and 3, or complainant 2, complainant 2's mother, complainant 1. So formally, in terms of the charges, there is the complainant upstairs for injury to child, and then this complainant is 15, which is why it's right above the felony level. But they wrote the mother as complainant, I guess, to the survey.
Ours is...
But the complainant here is a 15-year-old.
No familial relation?
No, it's just their brothers and friends encountered a juvenile male, the son of the now defendant, over problems they had in school. So it seems like there was a schoolmate issue.
Okay. Ma'am, did you want to say something? I'm sorry.
I mean, I know that we'll fight the facts.
Wow, did you catch that twist? The defendant flips the narrative, saying she was actually the one hurt by the juvenile. This is where courtroom drama really heats up. Two sides, same story, each pointing fingers at the other. Who do you believe here, the mom or the kids? Drop your take in the comments, because this one gets complicated fast.
She takes care of 3 children. The son that they're talking about, the son's 12 years old. Looks like there was some argument between these kids, and just to make her point of view, she was trying to speak with the complaining witness's mother regarding this whole situation. Looks like it got out of hand. I do have a picture from the defendant regarding an injury that she received from a busted lip of that day from the juvenile. Moving forward, I would like to set a bond, at least at the minimum of $1,000, and it'd be a PR bond.
State of Texas.
Judge, I just need seconds. I was trying to look up something else that wasn't popping up. Your Honor, state requests that reasonable bail be set, because this is not the only complainant involved. Obviously, there's the felony as well, and the fact that she has been charged prior for a disorderly conduct with a deadly weapon, assault family member.
The injury to a child, it's what, 14, right? 14 and under?
Yes, and the other complainant was 12. So that's why there's a felony and a misdemeanor, and the fact that there's involved and there was a witness is that allegation still continues on, and so state requests reasonable bail be set at 7,500.
Family violence was dismissed, Judge. The only conviction I see is theft.
Yeah,
from
I mean, I see
2009.
two dismissed. Just I see dismissed it orderly. Do you have any like out of state or anything else?
I'll run the. I don't believe it's.
Okay. Well,
It's not enough for me to impact mine.
right.
Oh no, it's down here. Never mind. Sorry, they're all in. But
So it looks like the only possible conviction that I see is a theft from '09,
yes, Judge.
and the other two cases.
The only bond forfeiture is very.
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm going to set your bond at $1,000, and I will give you a PR bond now. But I'm not going to play this game. I'm going to protect everyone in my community at all costs. I don't care who you are, where you come from, doesn't matter. You understand? As part of your bond conditions, you're not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case, and not to be in possession of any weapons as well. Weapons is a very loose term, so if you have any questions, talk to Frank, because no weapons whatsoever. I'm also ordering you not to go where they live or where they work as well, man.
I do have a concern about that because do they live in the same apartment complex or is it a different?
I think it was the children that are schoolmates, so I don't think there's otherwise. But not that I could find. I'll take a closer.
They were
look.
just roaming around.
Her head, so I don't believe that'll be an issue.
And so you're okay. I'm going to attach you to this as well. I'm going to go ahead and email Judge Nelson.
It's the ADA on record. I'm just helping out since we're shorthanded, and but I'm not opposed.
Okay, I have emailed you guys and I CC'd you guys. I've also talked to her. Would you please take a seat in the jury box? Do not leave until we have you sign bond conditions and then until Frank gets back to talk about the bond. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Rodriguez?
No, ma'am. Jury box. Hey,
Judge?
come on up. Yes, sir.
Daryl Bohana, Your Honor.
What's the last name?
Bohana?
Bohana. Okay. This is the person that got out of ICE custody, right?
No, Your Honor, this is another individual. We came in November for the arraignment setting, and he was a truck driver, Your Honor, commercial driver, and you put a restriction because he was actually had an alcoholic beverage allegedly in his possession at the time, so that he could not drive. So you informed me that if he abides by his conditions, that you would give him the opportunity to perhaps have some sort of device, either to his vehicle or a portable scram.
Is he here?
Yes, sir.
Come on, Mr. Bohana.
So that he can get back to work. How are your holidays, Judge?
Are you
It was good. Good, yeah.
getting ready for the freeze?
Oh, yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'm supposed to have a jury trial on the 21st, so we'll see if that goes.
I don't know. Bringing all those jurors down here with all that women.
Yeah, I'm not sure because, Houston gets a little skittish with cold weather. They shut everything down.
Good morning, Mr. Bohana. The only thing that I'm trying to impart to you is that it's a privilege. It's not a right. Driving, it's just a privilege. You want the right, you can walk. Otherwise, it's just a privilege. And it's just elementary that you're not supposed to do certain things in life. What we're trying to do is trying to get you just to appreciate the awesome privilege it is to drive. You understand? So he drives trucks for a living. How are we going to do it?
Well, Your Honor, I believe, I'm not sure if you would think that a portable was acceptable, but if a portable wasn't acceptable, I would recommend a scram device, Your Honor.
So what I'm going to do is, do you drive 18-wheelers?
Not sure, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Can you put a device on an 18-wheeler?
Not the companies, but I drive for a company.
So you're driving a company vehicle, not yours.
No.
You don't own the vehicle.
No, not the truck, no.
Okay. So what I'll do is he'll have a device on his personal vehicle, okay? And then we'll put a scram on him and I'll allow him to drive the work vehicle. But the scram will tell me at all times whether he's consuming anything. I'm putting a device on your ankle to measure whether you're consuming any kind of alcohol. Don't. Anything you put in your body, make sure you know what it is, because if there's any doubt, don't put it in your body. You know, Listerine, mouthwash, whatever it may be. Certain things may have alcohol. Certain fruits ferment, turn into alcohol. So you need to be aware of these things. Know what you put in your body, because if I find any kind of alcohol consumption, I'm going to take it away again. You understand?
Sure.
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, and I'm sorry, Judge.
Go ahead.
Mr. Rohana has been attending a couple AA meetings just for the knowledge of the court. He's trying to learn how to better handle alcohol problems. He hasn't been working since November. I'm not sure how much he has saved up.
I'm going to pay for it.
Oh, okay.
I always pay for everything.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. Money should never be an issue. I pay for everything for everyone, so it doesn't matter. So scram, and then well, he's here now. We might as well get it here because this is where we get it, right? And then the interlock within 7 days, and then waive the fee for both, please. Okay.
And we're still waiting on body cams and station videos on this case, Your Honor.
Actually,
It doesn't matter.
if it's uploaded, I'll double check, but there are videos that were just shared with you.
Okay,
Yeah.
he just shared it. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, guys, take care.
Thank you.
All right.
See you, Your Honor.
Safe.